press it for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I have dandruff.
Hi.
I have broken hair. Look
Yeah.
at these little, like, pieces.
You know,
Broken.
it's okay. We're gonna help her today.
She needs help.
So what are we gonna do today?
What are we gonna do
I
today?
want you to feel like you don't have to wear these every day.
I also would like to feel like that.
Yeah. Let's talk about your hair history.
Okay. Know if you believe in conspiracy theories or not.
Period.
But
That's a great way to start a video.
I think that it's from me getting COVID at some point. Because as soon as I got COVID, my hair just started, like, it's like the texture changed or something. I had been going to the same girl since I was like 17.
Okay.
It was fine, literally for 10 years. It was perfect.
Yeah. I feel like you were ever under a lot of stress or a lot of anxiety.
Yeah, for
And stuff like
sure.
that. Let's just bring your hair back to life today.
Dude, can we please?
Can we just cut like this, or was this like?
It was just like a couple little pieces. I cut it, yeah.
Oh, I cut. Okay.
They're
you
a
cut
little
it.
gross. This is insane.
No, it's not that bad. It's not as bad as you think.
It's like my biggest
We can-
insecurity of all time.
I want to change that for you today.
Okay.
It's a hard thing to talk about,
Mhm.
and it like makes you emotional because it is like one of your big insecurities.
Yeah.
But you are so beautiful inside and out. What we do today is going to like help you regain that confidence.
I'm just lost. Like, I feel like the ugly duckling when I go out and, like, you know, that's.
But you're not.
didn't used to-
I want this hair just to give you the confidence that you used to have, not that you think it's gonna make you feel pretty.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Thank you for saying that.
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
So what do we do?
I want you to do whatever. I trust you, honestly. I literally trust you with my life.
I feel like we should make you brighter.
Yes.
Blend out this root.
Yes.
I don't think you should be like blonde from the scalp.
Agreed.
I want you to have a little bit of a root shadow.
Yeah.
Just where it like grows out softly.
Yeah.
I think around your hairline to be blonde. You just said wear your hair up in a ponytail. You feel blonde
She's
here.
a blonde girl.
I want you to be able to have to come back every like 4 to 5 months.
Okay.
And get color, and you just get your extensions moved up instead of. Do you want to see the hair?
Yeah.
Yeah. We love lace hair. I will never not work with this brand because
Oh my
she
gosh.
helps so many people
I
feel
love
beautiful.
that. Yeah.
Her biggest thing is like, I want you to know you're beautiful before you get the hair.
Yeah. You did a great job of that too.
Yes.
Of making me feel beautiful.
Let's just get started.
I love her.
Look at-
You can make my hair blend with this. I'm gonna be shook to death.
Just so you wait and see.
Dude, look how tiny it is. My mom's gonna flip out.
You think she's gonna?
My mom's dream is for me to be a Barbie. Mom is literally Dolly Parton. That's my mother.
She's a queen. At least she'll have. So we're gonna root these extensions after I sew them in.
Oh, my goodness. Is it super blonde? Dude, that's wild. Guys, we ordered McDonald's. Oh. The size of your hand is huge.
How do you feel?
Tyler.
How do you feel?
I feel like myself. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. You're a cutie girl. She's a cutie girl.
Cute girl. I can't stop crying. I can't even believe this is on my head right now.
And it's all yours.
You're a wizard. You are a wizard. Oh my god, Tyler. Can I hug you?
Yes.
You look
So welcome. Oh my gosh, I love you. You're so beautiful. I'm so glad I got to make you feel just like yourself again.
Thank you so much. It doesn't feel like this is on my head right now. This feels like I'm dreaming.
You're perfect.
We are perfect. Marry me?
Yeah. How do you feel?
I literally have never felt more like myself. This is who I am in my mind. What do you mean?
What do you mean? Look at this hair.
Let's go to Broadway.